guys, my name is Miss Garza and today we will be going over the order of operations, which is PEMDAS. That is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. And here is what parentheses looks like. This is what exponents look like. This is our multiplication and our division sign, and also our addition and subtraction sign. Now, what is PEMDAS? PEMDAS is the order of operation we need to follow when evaluating expressions when multiplying more than one operations. Some things that we would like to consider when solving with PEMDAS is multiplication and divisions are like BFFs. Whichever comes first, left to right, is solved first. The same thing with addition and subtraction. Whichever comes first, we go left to right. Alright, so right now I have example 1. I have 48 divided by 2 times 5 plus 1 equals. Now what we're going to look for is going in this order of PEMDAS. We're always going to go in this order. So our signs that we have here are division, multiplication, and addition. Our first step I have is 4 times 2 equals 8, because our multiplication sign is going to come before our division and our addition sign. So then our next step, after we've gotten rid of multiplication, we are going to go along with division next. So we have 48 divided by 8 is equal 6. And then our last step with addition is our 6 plus 1 equals 7. And that is going to be our last one. So in this example, multiplication was first, division was second, and addition was 3, following that one. On to our second example. We have in parentheses, at 10 plus 8 minus 3 divided by 2. Now in this one, in the label, we have our parentheses, our subtraction sign, and our division. So in this one, our parentheses is going to go first, then our division is going to go second, and then lastly, subtraction is going to go third. So with that said, 10 plus 8 equals 18. Here's our parentheses. Going on to our next step. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. That's our division step. And then our last step would be the subtraction. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And that will be our final answer. Then our last example, we have 5 plus 5, in parentheses, 50 divided by 2 times 1. So following this, in parentheses, we have step 1, then following our second will be multiplication, and then our third, addition, will be the 5 plus 3. Alright. So 50 divided by 2 equals 25. Following our second step, 25 times 1 equals 25. And then our last step of addition, 25 plus 10 equals 35. Your answer is going to be 35. Alrighty, so that's it for all three of our examples. I do have some practice problems for you guys. So now it's your turn. Remember to follow the order and go from left to right if needed. So we're going to write these problems down. I have problem 1, 9 plus 6 times, in parentheses, 8 minus 5. That's going to be our first problem. Our second problem is 5 times 3 plus 3 minus 2 equals. And then our last practice problem will be 58 divided by 8 plus 10 minus 5 equals. And with these ones, we'll have 15 minutes to do, so I will check up on you guys in 15 minutes. Alrighty, so let's see how we did. Practice problem 1, we had 9 plus 6 times, in parentheses, 8 minus 5 equals. Our first step in this one would be our, in parentheses, 8 minus 5. Second step will be our 3 times 6 equals 18. And then our last step in this one would be 18 plus 9 equals that 27, sorry. Our second problem, 5 times 3 plus 3 minus 2 equals. First step we're going to do is our multiplication. 5 times 3 equals 15. Next step we had was our addition. 15 plus 3 equals 18. Then our last step, subtraction, 18 minus 2 equals 16. And this step we did have to use that left to right as remembered. So our last problem we had was 58 divided by 8 plus 10 minus 5. First step we're going to do is our division. 58 divided by 58 is going to equal 0. Second step is addition. 0 plus 10 is equal 10. And then our last step, subtraction, 10 minus 5 equals 5. Alrighty, so did anybody have any questions on today's lesson? Alrighty, so if there's no questions, today we learned order of operations and how to apply order of operations when computing with whole numbers. And that concludes our lesson for today.